Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. What we're going to look at in this video are trauma kits for animals. Now, this particular kit here we've got is a trauma kit for horses, but they're available for dogs and cats and other animals as well. Now, the idea of a trauma here, we're looking at serious injury or catastrophic bleeding. Now, the kit itself is designed to be in a sealed container, so it's factory sealed in a resealable bag, and inside are the equipment you would need to deal with a catastrophic bleed on an animal. So what you do is you just rip the top off, and once you've ripped the top off, you can open up the unit and then pull out the contents. What you have inside are four main products. There's Celox granules. Now, Celox is a hemostatic agent, and what this can do is stop bleeding very quickly. You literally take the packet, rip off the top, you can pour that directly into the wound, and then you apply direct pressure over to it. Now, what that would do is it will react with the blood and perform a plug. Now, you don't need to worry about this plug actually causing any long-term harm, because it's all natural products in there and the vet can remove it very, very easily. Also in here are a pair of gloves. Obviously you're dealing with blood, so you need to make sure that you keep your hands clean. A high absorbency dressing, and also some dressing here, which is the vet wrap type dressing that goes over the animal's leg, but only stick to itself. So if you need further help holding on any of this product onto the skin, this will be ideal for it. Now, these sort of kits are different depending on what animal you're working with, but they're a very easy way of keeping hold of a catastrophic kit just in case something bad happens in a nice, simple, easy form. The sorts of times we would need a kit like this, from the large scale for the horses, it might be that they jump over a fence and they put a very, very serious gash in their leg and there's a lot of blood, and you've got to stop that bleeding quickly. This is what they're trying to do. They're trying to stop bleeding quickly so that we can get the vet. With the dog, it might be a serious bleed from a cut or maybe a knife wound or something like that. Anything where there's catastrophic bleeding. Now, this type of kit you wouldn't just use with a small cut or a graze, and this sort of kit will help keep the blood inside the body, stop it coming out, therefore we reduce the shock. We also make it easier for the animal because it's going to be less distressed, and also we can make the animal much better condition by the time we get it to professional medical help. And finally, if you're interested in buying these kits, whether it be the horse ones or the pet ones or even the human ones, if you go to protrainings.eu, you have a look at the bottom of the page, you'll see the store icon, and if you go on from there, you'll see our online shop and all the range of products are there.